In this video, you'll learn how to nurture your pelvis, nurture your eyes, and manage your stress.
We're going to have some fun and nurture our pelvic joints and muscles. We're gonna practice some basic belly dance moves, and I highly recommend sharing these with your partner if you're married or you have a significant other or kids, because it's really fun. The first one we're going to do is basic stance. We talked about our posture, right? And we're going to slide our hips to the right, to the far right, and then we're going to slide our hips to the left. And what you want to do is you want to keep your spine in neutral as much as you can. So it's kind of like you're a clock and you're going tick-tock. Good. And just notice how that feels. Good. And now we're going to go in a full circle. We're going to create a clockwise circle. Keep your shoulders down and back. And then we're going to circle around in the other direction. This is wonderful for our pelvic floor, to keep our pelvic floor toned. Because when we're sitting, our pelvic floor muscles tend to go.
This is like
and our transverses. Yeah. Hula hooping is great.
I bought a hula hoop. My dog's afraid.
That's awesome. Anybody here hula?
It always comes up.
Hula hooping is great. And then these are figure eights. We're going to create the number 8 with our hips. I love to share these exercises because they're working the internal muscles, the pelvic floor, the transverses. These type of movements are exactly what we need if we're sitting in a chair. And then lastly, the shimmy. We all know that one. And we're going to do the tongue shimmy while we do the hip shimmy. It goes like this. You can't forget about our tongue muscles, right? We're going to take a moment now before I finish the talk to nurture our eyes. As we do this rubbing of the palms, let's breathe into our hearts with gratitude for our eye muscles, for our eyes, for our ability to see. So let's bring in this attitude of gratitude and put all that love into your hands right now and bring it over to your eyes. So laying the palms of the hands onto your eyes. And take a deep breath in. Feeling grateful that you can see. Feeling grateful for your body. Resting your eyes, resting your forehead muscles. Another exercise we can do is to help with our focusing. Since we're looking maybe 10 to 12 inches for a long duration, it's really great to do different focusing exercises. So just bring your finger about 10 inches away from you and look at your beautiful finger. And just focus on it for 3 breaths. And then pick a person or a point about 30 feet away to look at. Just for 10 seconds. So we're looking away now. And then come back to your finger. So this helps us to work out our lateral rectus muscles, to help them to stay, it's like they're going jogging. And you can look away and then look back to your finger close up. Look away, look back, look away to the left, look back. So just taking, you can be at a meeting and you look at something close to you, for example, the bottle of water, and then you look away. So I highly recommend incorporating these. Or when you're at a red light, you can look at your steering wheel and then look away. So the more you can integrate it into your daily life, this is really helpful. Time management. It's really important to live by our heart's desire. When you align your soul, which is your essence, you could just say your personality, your true you, with your work, this becomes no longer work, right? And if you're not feeling juicy about your job, just fake it till you make it. Be grateful for it. The more we can align with that passion, the joy. If you're not feeling that, sometimes I really believe it's because we're stuck in these way too long. So for me, instead of me analyzing why am I not feeling as happy, I'm feeling a little depressed, I just literally move. I exercise, I dance, I sing. I'm so blessed that I sing for the Teo Orchestra now, and I'm telling you that lifts my spirit up so much. And I feel it's helped me open my heart even more. Sometimes I'm crying because I'm just so taken with joy. And I'm not smoking anything. I'm not on any alcohol. You know, this is like natural high. So I really feel we're innately designed to feel pleasure. And sometimes we block ourselves of that. And it's just really easy to feel great. So vibrational movement, diaphragmatic breathing, dance, bring in gratitude, thank your body every morning for all the amazing things it does. Definitely make it a priority to move this part of our body. I feel it's really important to incorporate things that bring you pleasure. What's my heart's desire? And what is my priority? Look at the different areas of your life: personal, work, family, the relationship with yourself, the relationship with your significant other. More than ever, we're not taking time to feel sexy and sensual and play and make love to our husbands. We put everything last on the list that has to do with us. So what are we teaching our children? What are we really doing all this for? It's not being selfish to take care of yourself. It's actually living fulfilled inspires other people. You don't have to wait for someone else to fill you up. Fill yourself up and discover that pleasure that you already are, whether it is through dance, whether it's through golf, you know, going to watch a basketball game. I don't know. Just be with your friends. But make sure that you're filling yourself up, the passion, the joy. And then things that you could do throughout the day. The morning wake up, I like to turn my palms up, so everybody turn your palms up. It's the morning time. Some of us have the alarm that just went on. Take a deep breath in. The first moment you realize you're awake, breathe in life to the fullest, deepest, fullest breath. May I have the best day ever. May today be filled with miracles, amazing things happening. You're just creating that intention. Remember, I told you, your mind is so powerful. Then go take a shower, put some music on, do your nurturing movements, bathe your body, love your body, touch your body, delicious body, I love you. Mindful eating at breakfast time, make that a ritual. You're feeding your body, not just your mind, not just your soul, with the food. And then conscious breathing breaks throughout the day. Make it a practice every day to look at yourself in the mirror and thank yourself for being you. And feel who you are and smile at yourself, because you're brilliant and unique and so valuable. None of us have any competition, you know, I don't believe in this. There's so much beauty in each one of us. We're all unique. No one has ever done it the way you have. So when you walk, we do this in belly dance, we do proud walking, and it really makes you feel so great because you're a gift. I want everyone to think of yourself when you're walking. I am a gift when you're driving. And there's no one else like me. So this embodiment of you, this bringing you into wherever you're going, having this attitude that, yeah, I'm a gift, I rock, you know, I'm my best friend, I'm my greatest cheerleader, is so healthy for us. It's really good for our oxytocin levels. Let's not let technology be the end of us. You know, we're gonna survive this, and definitely incorporating more movements of your pelvis. Get a coin skirt. Just $8 on the internet. Incorporate that into your life. And I highly recommend, of course, guided meditation is a great practice if you're having a hard time meditating. Meditation is a great way to give your mind a spa retreat vacation, and you don't have to go anywhere. So I designed these 6 different meditations: Let Go in Love, Awareness, Clear the Fear, Energize Me, Fly High, to reach beyond, and I'm so worth it because I really feel a lot of us are not valuing ourselves enough. And if you go on my website, michellealva.com, you can listen to them for free, and if you want to download them, you can.
Download Top 10 Tips for a Stress-Free Day at michellealva.com.